Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fortnite on an Android tablet. First, you'll need to know that Fortnite isn't found on the Google Play Store. Instead, you'll download the official Epic Games app directly from their website. This app acts as your gateway to installing and updating the game. Another fantastic option is to use cloud gaming services, such as Xbox Cloud Gaming, which lets you stream the game without a full download. To ensure a smooth Fortnite experience on your Android tablet, checking your device's specifications is crucial. Your tablet should be running Android OS version 10 or higher. You'll also need at least 4 GB of RAM to handle the game's demands. For graphics, look for a GPU like the Adreno 530 or a Mali G71MP20 or higher to render the vibrant game world effectively. Fortnite on mobile offers flexible control options to suit your playstyle. You can select from 3 firing modes: auto fire, tap anywhere, or a dedicated fire button. It's highly recommended to customize your heads-up display, or HUD, by moving and resizing buttons to fit your hands and preferences. Don't forget to fine-tune your touch sensitivity settings for precise aiming. For a console-like feel, you can also connect a Bluetooth controller. To get the best out of your Fortnite sessions, consider these optimization tips. If you're using cloud gaming, a stable and high-speed internet connection is paramount to minimize lag. Always close any background applications running on your tablet to free up valuable system resources, ensuring Fortnite gets maximum power. Finally, spend some time in creative mode. It's a perfect environment to practice and refine your control setup without the pressure of a live match.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.